Remote eye users are industrial companies, manufacturers, and technical service providers who face a common challenge. Their equipment and operations cannot stop, yet resolving field issues is often slow, costly, and complex. Field technicians frequently encounter problems that require a qualified expert, but those experts are not always physically available. Remote Eye provides a solution to this challenge. It enables professional and instant support for your field technicians and customers by combining video calls with assisted reality tools and artificial intelligence, guiding them while they work hands-free. With Remote Eye, you can offer immediate assistance with precise instructions, reducing the time it takes to solve urgent problems from days or weeks to just minutes, while also avoiding travel costs. By resolving issues faster, you increase the availability of your experts to handle more cases. Remote Eye works on multiple devices, smart glasses, mobile phones, computers, and endoscopes. It is designed to operate in environments with limited internet connectivity, requiring 3 times less bandwidth than Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or WhatsApp. You can organize ongoing support sessions using a customizable ticket panel, sorted by status or urgency level. Users can draw on the screen in real time to indicate and guide each step of the support process. The field technician can use the smart glasses to scan QR and barcodes or digital counters, while the remote expert remotely controls the camera's zoom and flash, and with an optional thermal vision mode. Each session can be recorded. Screen sharing is available between expert and technician, and multiple specialists can be invited to join simultaneously. Alternatively, participants can communicate through a professional chat. It includes a powerful voice-to-voice and text message translator, with voice-to-text transcription and AI-generated summaries. At the end of each session, Remote Eye generates customizable reports that ensure full traceability and can be used as evidence to monetize the remote support time provided to your customer. The solution is cloud-based, or, if preferred, can be hosted directly on your own servers. Remote Eye is a cybersecurity guarantee with GDPR compliance and ISO 27001 and SOC 2 certifications. It integrates easily with your ERP or CRM, adapting to the systems you already use in your company. It can also be personalized with your logo and corporate colors. With Remote Eye on smart glasses and mobile devices, we transform remote support into real efficiency.
Widem, always there.